If you need to contact openart AI, the fastest and most reliable way is to use the official support channels and send a clear, complete message the first time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to contact openart AI step by step, whether you want help with billing, a technical issue, or an account-related problem. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple software guides just like this. Let's start with the email method. First, open your email client on your PC. This can be Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or any email app you already use. Once it opens, click to compose a new message. In the To field, enter support openart.ai. That is the support email address you'll use to reach the openart team directly. Next, add a clear subject line. A strong subject line helps support understand your issue faster and route it to the right team. A good format is something like billing issue with account, followed by your username, or technical issue with account, followed by your username. Keeping the subject direct and specific makes it much easier for support to identify the problem. Now move to the body of the email. Start by writing the email address associated with your openart account. This is important because it helps the support team locate your profile quickly. After that, explain the issue in a simple and detailed way. If the problem is related to billing, mention what happened, when it happened, and whether you were charged incorrectly or unable to access a paid feature. If it's a technical issue, describe the exact error, what device you're using, and what steps you already tried. The more specific you are, the faster they can help. If possible, attach screenshots. Screenshots are extremely helpful because they show the support team exactly what you are seeing on your screen. If you received an error message, include that. If there is a billing problem, include a screenshot of the payment confirmation or the issue page. Just make sure the images are clear and relevant to the problem. If you are already logged into your desktop browser, there's another useful option. You can access documentation and contact pathways straight from the openart platform. To do that, navigate to the official openart help center at openart.ai help. The help center is a great place to find guides, answers, and additional support paths before or while you contact the team. You can also join the official openart Discord server if you want to stay connected with the community or look for additional guidance. I'll include that link in the description so it's easy to find. Sometimes the Discord community can help you confirm whether others are experiencing the same issue or point you in the right direction. Before you send your email, take a moment to double check everything. Make sure the support address is correct, your subject line is clear, your registered email is included, and your screenshots are attached. A well-written support message saves time and increases the chance of getting a quick response. So to recap, open your email client, send your message to support@openart.ai, use a direct subject line, explain the issue clearly, include your registered account email, and attach screenshots if needed. If you're already on desktop, you can also visit the help center at openart.ai help for documentation and support options. And don't forget, you can join the official Discord server as well for extra help. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and good luck contacting openart AI.